Hi, I'm Laura. I'm going to show you how to assemble the Christmas die that you'll be using in your journey through the Nativity. We suggest that you print your die on cardstock or another type of thicker paper so that it can withstand being rolled for 4 weeks. First, you'll want to color the items on the die. You can use markers, colored pencils, or crayons. Then, you'll need to cut it out by cutting on the black dash lines. When you finish cutting out your die, fold backwards on each of the gray dotted lines. Press down and make sure that your folds are crisp. Now it's time to glue your die together. A glue stick is the easiest way to do your gluing. Watch as I show how to put glue on the tabs and fold the die together. Your die is complete and ready to roll.